morning, friends. I am here to present my views on the topic, Are reservation needed in the private sectors? On 21st January 2014, a grand all-party election manifesto included the reservation in jobs for SC/ST candidates in private companies. And it will be no wonder if such legislation sees the light one day. But if it happens, how it will affect the growth of the country, let's have a look. Impact on competitiveness and efficiency. Private sector will lose its competitiveness and efficiency to function. Other is brain drain. If our young talent, our youth, our treasure will not be recognized in our own country, then they will move out for other options. Third, impact on foreign direct investment in India. These are some economic factors. Let's come to the social factors now. Do you think that our politicians are really helping them by giving such reservations? I give you an example. As I'm a teacher, I went to my class and inquired about SC and ST students and told them that they have to come with their parents the day after as they will get the scholarship for SC and ST. As I moved out of the class, one student came to me and said, "Ma'am, I don't want any scholarship and I don't want to be labeled as SC. Kindly remove my name from the list." The feelings of that girl had shaken me deeply. Are we really bridging the gap or making it more widened? Why after 67 years of independence, the backward class still exists? However, our constitution says that every person has equal right irrespective of the color, region, sex and caste. Then why? Then why backward class needs reservation till now? Friends, this is simply the vote bank politics of our politician, which is based on the policy of divide and rule. If we really want the growth of the country, if we really want to unite the whole country, want to stop the brain drain from the country and want our fair chances of employment in the country, then we should raise our voice against it. Thank you.